Westburn Local Nature Reserve lies approximately 1 mile to the east of the town of Cambuslang in South Lanarkshire. The reserve is a remnant of former farmland located in what was once a heavily industrialised landscape, and it now supports a range of habitats from wetland vegetation, some marshy grassland through to mature broadleaf trees. Even though Westburn Local Nature Reserve is small in comparison to some of the other local nature reserves around the county, there is still plenty to explore and discover on a visit. The wooded areas hold healthy populations of familiar birds, and the more open marshy areas are home to a fantastic variety of butterflies and other colourful insects. South Lanarkshire Council Countryside and Green Space are involved in a project called Get Outdoors, which is in partnership with VASLAN, Voluntary Action South Lanarkshire. They are working with the communities around our local nature reserves and encouraging local residents to enjoy a walk or spend a little bit of time connecting to nature. The Get Outdoors project has supported the delivery of family play sessions within Westburn to encourage residents to be frequent visitors to the reserve and to use it recreationally with their families. One of the local nurseries has also been involved in using the site for outdoor play and learning, and it is hoped that other local groups will follow suit through time.
We're from a local nursery centre and we use Westburn Nature Reserve for the children to have freedom, fun and learning in the forest area. It is a wonderful resource for the whole community.
Conservation volunteering days also take place throughout the year, which involve local people who work along with South Lanarkshire Council's Countryside and Green Space staff, carrying out tasks within the nature reserve that will benefit the wildlife and help keep the paths open for people to enjoy.
Hi, so spending the day here at Westburn Local Nature Reserve, just doing some volunteering, clearing up, picking up litter, clearing the trees and branches, cracking wee site, perfect for the local community and it's well worthwhile restoring.
Westburn Local Nature Reserve is an ideal place to go for a short walk and also to spend some time looking and listening for what it has to offer. Despite it being surrounded by housing, an industrial estate and busy roads, it's very easy to forget that you aren't somewhere more remote.